Hey guys, I'm Sean Gibson here with Gibson Exhaust. We're at the 2015 SEMA show. What you see right here is the Best New Product Award for the Power Sports category. And you know what product won this award? It was our Yamaha YXZ dual rear exhaust with the beauty plate. Picks up 6 horsepower to the wheels. So if you're looking for some extra power, looking for some extra style, hunt down one of these dual systems for your new ride.
Gotta love my Gibson Exhaust. I have the Metal Militia catback system. Gotta love it. Can't even tell that it's on right now, which it is on, but as soon as you give it some power, everybody knows that you're around.
Running the ceramic Gibson headers right now. Love them. Quick, great response. Sounds great. Also their catback system, single and dual out. Beautiful. Love it.
We just did the revealing of the Scott's Hot Rods 1958 F100. This thing is beautiful. There's not an ounce of Bondo on this thing.
Spent pretty much the last year building it. It sits on our full Scott's Hot Rods chassis. It's all 4x2 rail. Pretty much, I would say about 90% of the bed is all custom handmade in the shop.
What's up, Brian Deegan here. We're at SEMA 2015 at the Gibson Exhaust booth. I'm stoked. Come in here, get to see my logos on the exhaust here. Brand new line coming out, so I'm all about putting out good stuff that I run on my trucks. And with Gibson, you know it's gonna be good, so that's what's up.
Hey, my name is Chris Mann with Mad Industries. This is our Mustang GT. It's got a Gibson exhaust on it. It's got a Whipple 825 horsepower supercharger. We got a set of Sparco SPX seats, full carbon back with Trevino leather. We have our own carbon fiber in this car. It's carbon to carbon. It's all our own product. This is the package deal. Best of show in the Ford booth this year. So we're really happy with how it turned out.
Everyone just says their arm green big, but that's not the case.
Yes.
Hey guys, what we've got right here is our MWA muffler. This muffler is all stainless steel. It's got a 100% unique design. I mean, this thing flows 3 CFM less than a straight pipe. I mean, it's got the best muffler flow period out there. This thing's guaranteed for life. We put our name on it and we're gonna stand behind it. Oh, and the most important part, there's no packing. It's not gonna get louder and louder and louder and louder. We've got you covered. MWA Performance Muffler from Gibson Exhaust. Check it out.